Hey everyone, Jeremy Coe here with SeaArk Boats.
Damon Melcher with X-Treme Bait Tanks.
So me and Damon's known each other for a long time, long history through a lot of different companies, and glad to be finally working together. You know, we had this conversation, what, 4 years ago?
Almost 4 years ago.
4 years ago about taking an X-Treme Bait Tank, incorporating it into a boat, and making it the true multi-species boat. So we picked the platform, our MV John series, which is our 3-degree hull, or we have a V John series, which is our true V hull, our 15-degree hull like our Pro Cats. And now with our partnership with X-Treme Bait Tanks, our plan is to take this back deck here, insert the larger bait tank that's can be a live well, it can be a bait tank.
Yes.
You can be a walleye guy, a striper guy, catfish, crappie. You can keep live bait. I'm shocked from striper fishing and using a lot of live bait how these X-Treme Bait Tanks have kept skipjack, shad, even crappie, striper and skipjack are not easy to keep alive.
Right.
And how they've performed, and had a couple myself and they've done well, but we're a lot further ahead than when I had them.
So I mean, since we talked about this idea 4 years ago, the evolution of X-Treme Bait Tanks has been monumental.
It's huge.
The build a tank, all the features that we can build into them, and just what you saw today by looking at what we did as a prototype for this tank. So we're calling it the dual purpose tank. And the difference between bait tanks and live wells really has been bait tanks are all round corners, live wells have been all square. And that's really what you get in most boats. So what we did is we created what we call a dual purpose tank. That one you showed is 5 foot, but we're going to talk about dimensions to fit perfectly in this boat, whether that's 5.5 or 6 foot, but everything is rounded. And it has all the features of a bait tank. So it will circulate, filter, and oxygenate that water. We have demos out right now as we speak that we've had catfish in, and the joke is it takes one guy to put it in, it takes 2 to get them out, because they just come out juiced up. We've kept a half a dozen 10 plus pound stripers for multiple days in that tank.
That's awesome.
So this is going to be incredible for those guys that are especially tournament guys that have to have their live weigh-ins. And also, if you're concerned about CPR, there's no CPR when you get to the weigh-in. They're already CPR'd.
Yeah, that's awesome.
If you will.
And
I don't think that's a word.
CPR, hey, it's fine. We're both in Kentucky. We're fine. Like I said, it's a true multi-species, and you'll be able to add it to any of our platforms. That goes from a 20, 22, 24, 26-foot MV John. Those come in 3 different hulls, which is a regular 3-degree. You can get a prop tunnel. This boat behind me has a jet tunnel. So any platform of those, and then a 20 and a 24-foot V John, which, like I said, is the same hull as our Pro Cats. So man, it's an awesome partnership. We're excited.
So timeline, what can people look at timeline? Because I know we just can't make this kind of stuff overnight.
Sure.
What's a realistic timeline for something like this?
So we're planning on building a boat, getting a tank, hopefully around March, and then plan to release it about model year change summer or late spring, early summer, and be able to offer this, you know, where we can show everybody what it's doing. Because there's a little R&D work got to happen where we can go striper fish and, you know, go use it.
I think that's a fabulous idea.
Yeah, so we need a couple of months to test the tank.
We don't want to release anything to the public that we're not 100% sure is going to work.
That's right. So you can look for the X-Treme version of a SeaArk MV John, hopefully late spring, early summer. And we're super excited. So thank you, Dave.
Awesome, bro.
Yeah.
Looking forward to it.